you want to make some money off crypto, this is going to be easy. I promise, this is going to be easy. Like, comment, subscribe for this game. Look, you go on Coinbase, you can pick whatever you want, crypto.com, whatever you want to buy your crypto off. You want to own some crypto for the future because it's still new. Of course, everybody was making their money in 2017 to 2021. Big money. This is before I really knew about crypto. But I found out in 2021, and I'm like the Dogecoin and all that went crazy. Nobody's really talking about now. But I'm like, it's money around. I like to invest. Of course, I own stock. Cool. But hold on. You telling me in one day I can have 15%, 20% gains? Now, take this with that grain of salt. Now, days you can have 20% loss too. But guess what? We know buy low, sell high. If I didn't learn anything from anybody, buy low, sell high is going to come back to you. You can run from it all you want. You can try to buy at the highest and think you're just going to hold on. Hey, whatever happens, happens. I'm not going to tell you what's going to happen, but you're going to find out. Cool. So I'm buying cryptos off Coinbase. That's what I'm recommending. Coinbase. Cool. If you're going to learn it, make sure you know how to put your crypto in the wallet so no one takes your crypto, because anything can happen. Somebody can just break in your account, send it, whatever you want to do. I'd rather have it in my wallet. Cool. You can actually go in there and look what's the top ranking cryptos if you don't know what to buy. Now, people are going to throw out, especially in the crypto world, stock is understandable because you can say, man, buy McDonald's, buy IBM, such and such. Just, you know those companies. You don't know Polkadot, Cardano, Dogecoin, Flocky, PayPay. I can name so many coins you just won't even know. Other than because everybody should know Bitcoin, Ethereum. Like, if you just want to go long-term Bitcoin, Ethereum, I'm not going to knock that at all, especially Ethereum for the price. But if you don't have 50, 60,000, I can understand. Cool. So you telling me you can get these gains in a week or two, a month? And it's faster than the stock market? Oh, I got to play the game. So you telling me people were getting rich off $10,000? I don't even want to say rich. Let's take rich away. Let's say you're starting to make some money. If I put 10,000 in Polkadot when it was $1, is that right now it's at like $7.16, 15 cents. Take that with a grain of salt. But you understand it's right there. 10,000? What would you have? What happened if you're actually going to 100? What happens if that crypto 100x's that year? It's more than likely going to happen if I'm looking at the statistics and numbers. It's easier for crypto to do 100% that year. But what are you going to put in your account to maximize that money? That's all it's about now. You can't, like I said, I was buying $5 a day in the stock market. That worked. $5 in crypto a day is not going to work because you're going to get hit with fees. There's way more fees in the crypto world. I will say that. But guess what? I like staking in crypto. Staking is going to make me way more money. I'm telling you, the long term. Because if I can't put money in this crypto today, guess what? Polkadot sends me money every day. Cardano sends me money every 5 days. It's the same as dividends. It's just called staking. I kind of made some of these words stick with each other because I don't want to mess up what the original thing is going to be. You're going to send me some money. You're going to send my dividends. You're going to send my check. However you want to look at it. It's the same thing. Do you want to make money in crypto, stock? How you want to do it? Hey, it's free money out here. Like, comment, subscribe.